Ready.
Ready. Ready. Is that going to be in the video?
Maybe.
Shh. Be quiet. Go. Where's the music? We're not doing it? Whoa, that's super sheer. I didn't realize that. Have we used this one on me before?
I'm sure this is the one I used under the ones we did with the green.
Was it? OMG, those nails. They were great.
They were.
But I still love those first ones. Like, I don't know what it was. But next nails are going to be the banana palm tree leaf.
Oh, good. Okay.
The triangle. Ooh, look at that pigment.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Oh god, these are gonna be popping. OMG, I'm so excited. It's like two of my favorite colors. Turquoise, teal, whatever the frick you want to call it. And like glitter.
And glitter. Glitter's not a color.
Excuse me, there are plenty of shirts that suggest otherwise. Glitter is a color. Imagine if you kept this talking in the video. They'd be like, what are wrong?
He's fine. She's fine.
She's not my promise most days.
Most days.
It's been a week. It's not over. Oh, I wish I could get a Snapchat of this.
Too bad you're like hands busy.
No, we need a Snapchat of that. It's just so pretty.
So should I order more of this glitter?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Literally,
It only came with this little
glitter
bit.
is life-changing.
I don't even know if that was in frame or not.
Honestly, oh, you know what?
It's fine.
You know what? We might have to use this glitter for my Hawaii look, but we'll see. Because it depends what kind of vibe I'm going for, you know? You gotta give him the shimmer.
Shimmer. Give him the shimmer. Okay, and so let's put the jams on.
Great.
So we'll be using these. I wish I knew what the color names were for these. I always have to look them up.
Oh, they're not like on the bottom?
No, because I put them in this container.
Oh, what do they come in?
A bag.
Oh, yeah, good call. Much more professional.
Some places and some kits you can buy them in boxes.
Those little guys.
Oh, we were going to do an ombre on this one too.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Okay, let me put the crystals on first. On both the ring and the pointer, right?
Yeah. Yep. We're not doing my ring finger is glitter this time. I don't know what to think.
For the green ones, I looked at them. The middle was the gold.
Really? I only did one, but wasn't it thumb and middle?
Yeah, thumb and middle.
Okay.
Yo, I did not do just one glitter. Yo, don't tell me otherwise.
them all. Hold on. That doesn't sound like me.
Are those the same size?
It's okay if they're not the... Well...
On second thought.
I've been thinking about myself and how I am with my nails, and you know, it's just the way it is. Oh,
I spilled nail glue everywhere.
behind the scenes. They didn't see that.
BTS.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, that one matches. Do you want one more on either side? Or is that good enough for you?
That's great.
Yeah.
Were you worried I was gonna be...
Oh no, I just got...
I'm like, because if you did on this finger, you'd have to kind of go up the nail a little bit.
Yeah, because that one's a little bit narrower.
That's just how my ring fingernails are always weird. I think it's because I chomp on those ones a little too much. I don't know if you remember, but they used to have ridges.
Yeah.
Back in the day. Mm-hmm.
Those are the same
Because
size,
if it's
right?
going to be windy, then that's making a problem. Yeah.
Okay. Am I saying things right?
You are, girl. OMG. I just already...
We're already
I
about
just
it.
already... Holy shit. Look.
Ooh.
Stop it. Stop it.
Come back in.
Sorry.
Ooh. Ooh, yes. I'm going to do fade on that one.
Aren't you just so excited that I finally got into doing my nails all the time?
Yes.
I mean, it was bound to happen. I always enjoyed it. It was just more of like, what were we going to do? And then it was once you started doing these that was like, because then we don't really rely on my nail as much. You know what I mean?
Right, and you would still, I feel like you would still bite them a little bit.
100%.
Well, let me just drop all the glitter now.
Okay.
None of it's going to get on your finger. This is what happens when Ashlyn gets too excited. It doesn't even make it into the lamp. Fabulous.
You know,
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
I'm good at a lot of things. One of them is not keeping my nails safe.
True that, true that.
That was funny. Well, back to the glitter.
I'm going to need to order like 10 things of this for you. Just because you can't keep it on your hands.
I mean, you're right.
Oh, yeah. Okay, carefully put that one into the lamp. Okay. Okay, guys, shimmy it
All right,
in.
Dr. Lauren. Surgery's
Okay.
complete. Great. Make sure it's perfect.
Okay. Let me see them. Ooh, so pretty.
Oh, sorry.
Let me see the thumbs.
That finger didn't know what to do.
Yes. Those are so pretty.
I know. Oh, I love them. They're just how I wanted them. They're like simple, but like me. I mean, they're not really simple, but they are. You know?
Right.
No crazy designs or anything. Just